It means I don't carry very much inventory. I can put the nail holes in the clips where I want. I can make the shoe the right size without having to spend very much time at the grinder. I can put the toe in where it needs to be from the horse's, or where it is on the foot, without having to always take off medial heel or fit the medial heel long. Keg shoes, I mean, not all keg shoes are symmetrical. There's a lot of them that come in lefts and rights now, and gets you there. But if you want to buy keg shoes to fit all of that stuff, you gotta have a lot of them, and I don't want that. It's easy. There's a lot of work already done to it, right? So it's easy to bend, easy to turn, and I get good traction. I don't have to crease it. I mean, the real advantage in the shoemaking world of concave is that it's simple. It's not simple, but it's like, it's less muscle. You don't have to hit it as hard. Making shoes out of concave is like a finesse project. It saves me a lot of work. But yet allows me to get a lot of the advantages of making shoes with a lot less work than making them out of flat stock. And I think horses like concave because you're comfortable, they have traction when they want it, so they don't worry about slipping as often, and confidence makes a good horse to ride. I think that the in and out of the footing that concave does allows for most horses a good amount of engagement of the frog and bars and sole without overdoing it, and that engagement leads to healthier feet sometimes, depending on where you live, obviously.